For over 4 decades, KBP Multiprocess Machinery Sendirian Berhad has been the heartbeat of industrial innovation in Southeast Asia. Founded in Malaysia in 1981, we've grown from a modest venture into a regional leader across Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, China, Tahiti, UK, and Brunei, delivering exceptional solutions that empower industries and propel progress. At KBP Multiprocess Machinery, our mission is unwavering to engineer excellence and driving innovation, ensuring precision that not only meet but exceed our clients' expectations. Our extensive portfolio spans a diverse range of industries, from traditional mooncake to modern bread. Each solution customized, each machine crafted with precision. From design to deployment, our experts ensure seamless integration and optimal performance, empowering your business to reach new heights.
They always deliver innovative machinery that meets our needs.
Dịch vụ học máy của họ đảm bảo hoạt động chân tru cho chúng tôi.
They deliver reliable solutions and adapts quickly to our changing needs.
佢哋提供強大且可靠嘅機械，令我哋保持競爭力。
Their technology and support have been key to our operational success.
At the core of KBP Multiprocess Machinery lies a simple truth. Our clients are our partners. Your success is our success.
We trust and honor KBP.
Innovation and precision aren't just buzzwords. They're the pillars of our legacy. Certified and recognized globally, KBP Multiprocess Machinery is dedicated to pushing boundaries and setting new industry standards. With over 40 years of industry experience, KBP Multiprocess Machinery continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Our mission is clear: to lead with integrity, innovate for the future, and deliver excellence at every step.
We are very honored to have the awards of SME 100 tonight.
Join us as we continue to shape the industrial landscape, driving innovation and forging partnerships that stand the test of time. KBP Multiprocess Machinery Sendirian Berhad, driving innovation, ensuring precision.